finally made it to Friday, yay! Today we're doing plural nouns and suffixes. Plural nouns and a suffix is ses. Okay, so a plural noun names more than one person, place, thing, or idea. So basically, a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. A plural noun means that there's more than one. So 2 boys, 3 books, 4 shoes. To show there's more than one, add s to most nouns, and then you are done. Suffixes, s or es. A suffix is added to the end of the word to change it. The suffix s or es makes most nouns plural. Examples: 1 bench, many benches. 1 frog, many frogs. Is there just one, or are there more? Check for s or es at the end to be sure. I have 2 cymbals. I have 1 drum. Plural nouns. S. So in most cases, all you're going to do is add an S to the end to make something plural. So this boy is holding 1 book. He is holding 2 books. Altogether, there are 1, 2, 3 books. So in grammar, we would say plural is more than one. One thing is singular. So this boy is singular. These boys are plural. This book is singular. These books are plural. We can tell that because they end in S. Okay, S versus ES. So the difference here when you would add ES instead of S is if it ends with certain letters, which we're going to go over in just a second. So to make most nouns plural in English, you're going to add either S or ES. Once again, the word suffix just means something that's added to the end. So a suffix is added to the end to make it different. A prefix would be added to the beginning. A suffix is added to the end. Yeah. Okay, so here are when you would add the different letters. So we're only going to really worry about S and ES today. Later on, we'll go over these rules down here. So add an S to make most nouns to make them plural. Dog, dogs. Cat, cat, cats. Book, books. Pencil, pencils. Okay, so you just add an S to each of these. Now, that's for this rule. Next, we're going to talk about adding ES. So you add ES to nouns that end in CH, SH, S, X, or Z. So if we look here, we see the word box. So they added ES because it ends with X. CH would be like bench. So that would become benches. Notice when we say this one is benches, cats is just cats, right? We don't say cat is. Cats, books, pencils, benches, boxes. So whenever we see this ES, we're going to say it as like is. So that was a CH. SH would be like bushes. So 1 bush, maybe it's a cherry bush, cherry tree. Yeah. Bush would become bushes. With an S, this would be like glass. Like I have a glass of water. We have 2 glasses of water. Or class, like I go to first period class. I have 3 classes that I like. And then a Z ends with Z. So this would be like quartz, which is a type of rock. So if you had more than one type of quartz, it would be quartzes. Honestly, though, you're probably not really ever going to see this one. So don't worry about that too much. So mostly you want to care about CH, SH, S, S, oh, and X. Okay. Watch and listen. Which word is the plural noun? So first of all, I need to think that a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Plural means more than one, so two or more. Two. Mom says to get our jackets. Okay, so mom is a noun because that's a person, but there's only one of her, so that is not it. Says to get our jackets. Jacket is something you wear, that is a thing. There's an S, that means there's more than one, so that is the answer. Circle the suffix. Suffix is something that I add to the end of a word. Circle the suffix on the end of the plural noun. Plural means more than one. Noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. We ride bikes at the park. So my nouns, I'm just going to underline these. We ride. We is a person. Bikes is a thing. Park is a place. The only one that ends with a suffix that shows that it's plural is this one. So I'm going to circle S. Fill in the blank with a verb. We blank slowly. A verb is an action. So I'm just going to say write because I am writing very slowly because I'm using the mouse pad. My handwriting is better than this normally, I promise. Okay. Circle the mistakes, then fix and rewrite the sentence. I can see a park. So the first thing I want to check for is capital. That's good. Period at the end. We don't have one. Punctuation at the end. It could be a question mark. So I can see the parks. I can see a parks. Okay, so A tells me that there is only one. But then this suffix S here is telling me that there's more than one. So that means that I can see a park. I either have to change this A or the S because we're talking about these S's right now. I'm going to keep that. I'm just going to get rid of this A. So let me circle this. So then I'm going to change it to I can see, let's just say 2 parks. Maybe I'm high up and I can see 2 parks in the city. We're looking at Google Maps. Okay, so this one I'm going to help you out a little bit, but you're going to be the one doing all the work. Fill in the blank to make the noun plural. So plural means that we are going to make it more than one. So what letter, one letter, are we going to add here? The answer is S. Add the suffix S to make plural nouns. Okay, so all you're going to do is just add the suffix S. They have vats and bases. Circle the words that belong in a group named park equipment. So I need to think of what I might find in a park. Yep, so I'm going to find some swings. I'm not going to find pillows. That would be weird. Slides. monkey bars. If you ever find pillows in a park, don't use them. That's gross. That's how you get lice in your head, little bugs. Circle the mistakes, then fix and rewrite the sentence. Do you have glove? So my mistakes are, this needs to be capitalized. Do you have, I need to add an S to make this plural. So it should be, do you have gloves? Okay, your turn. Let's go over the answers. Make the underlined word a plural noun. So it would be shovels. Add a suffix to make the noun plural. Do you have a sand bucket? Oh, sorry, do you have sand buckets? Which word is a verb? I build a sandcastle. So which one is an action? It is build. Circle the mistakes, then fix and rewrite the sentence. I dig many holes. I digs many holes. So that's a mistake, and this is a mistake because I is not third person. I is first person, so there shouldn't be that S. So it should be I dig many holes. Great. Last time, go into Google Classroom. You're going to do the practice and the quiz. Please remember, as always, the quiz is graded. That's going to go directly into the grade book. So please make sure you are trying your best. If you have questions in the practice section before you get to the quiz, feel free to ask me. So that way you don't get it wrong.